Ever found yourself trapped in conversation quicksand? That moment when your mind goes blank, silence stretches like eternity, and you swear everyone can hear your brain scrambling? I've been there. My anxiety used to skyrocket in these moments. But after years of painful social interactions, I discovered 3 game changers that transformed how I connect with people. First, I embrace silence. We think every pause needs filling, but no one remembers those awkward pauses nearly as much as you do. When I stopped treating silence like an emergency, conversations started flowing naturally. Second, I approach conversations like an English teacher analyzes text, finding depth in simple statements. When someone says, "I cut my hand working on my car Sunday," most people hear a basic statement, but hidden within those few words are conversation goldmines. What kind of car? Are you into mechanics? How bad was the cut? The secret isn't having perfect responses, it's genuine curiosity. Third, I gave myself permission to ask so-called stupid questions. Sometimes I'll ask something unexpected like, "What's your go-to karaoke song?" These questions break predictable conversation patterns and reveal fascinating aspects of someone's personality. Here's the reality check most won't tell you. Sometimes, no matter what techniques you use, a conversation simply won't flow. Some people aren't great conversationalists themselves. Others might not be interested in connecting. Learning when to gracefully exit a dying conversation is just as valuable as knowing how to nurture one. Don't waste energy watering dead plants. Try just one of these strategies today and watch as conversations that once felt like minefields become pathways to real connection. Hit subscribe and let's build your confidence one conversation at a time.